Is your N14 losing power, popping or backfiring? Loud ticking sounds coming from your engine? You may be in need of a camshaft replacement in your Cummins N14. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Fix your N14 the right way the first time. Install this new camshaft for the Cummins N14 from Highway and Heavy Parts. The camshaft plays a big role in whether or not you're getting the power and fuel economy you want, impacting the overall performance of your Cummins N14. This new camshaft is manufactured with high-grade materials and built to OEM specifications for proper fit and function, ensuring strength and durability for your N14. The camshafts we sell are made to go the distance, helping restore horsepower, torque, and improve overall fuel economy that can be lost due to a worn or damaged camshaft, making replacement critical to your Cummins N14. It's not just camshafts that can wear or fail. The camshaft bearings support the camshaft, and bearing failure can cause extensive damage to your camshaft and other vital parts of your engine. Fortunately for you, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Pick up some new cam bearings to go with your new camshaft and fully protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out HHP's selection of valve-trained parts for your diesel engine, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine part supplier.